In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find nameservers in Hostinger. If you're setting up a website or planning to migrate one, finding your nameservers is a crucial step. Let's dive into it so you can get your website up and running smoothly. First, we'll start by logging into your Hostinger account. You'll need to enter your credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you should be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, which is your main hub for managing everything related to your hosting services. If you're not automatically on the dashboard page, don't worry, just click on the Home button at the top of the page to navigate there. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Hosting. This is where all your purchased hosting plans are listed, and you can manage each individually. Click on the specific hosting plan for the website whose nameservers you're trying to find. This step is crucial as different websites can have different configurations, and we want to ensure we're looking at the correct one. After selecting your hosting plan, you'll be taken to a detailed management page specifically for that website. Here, amidst the various tabs and options, find and click the one labeled DNS Zone. This area is where you'll find information related to your domain's DNS settings, including the nameservers. On the DNS Zone page, locate the area that lists your nameservers. They typically start with an S, followed by a numerical sequence and a domain name. These nameservers are unique to each client and server setup, so note them down accurately. If you're wondering why they're important, nameservers essentially direct traffic from the web to your website, making them a fundamental part of your web hosting setup. If you're planning to point your domain to this particular hosting service, head over to your domain registrar and update the nameservers there. Remind yourself this step is necessary unless Hostinger is already managing your domain directly. Changing nameservers might take a bit of time, usually up to 48 hours for the changes to propagate throughout the internet, so patience is key. Remember, if you're at any point feeling unsure or confused, Hostinger offers customer support that can help clarify any issues. Don't hesitate to reach out to them if you need further assistance. And there you have it. You now know how to find nameservers in Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy hosting!